Stitches of love we sew. In this online world we come to grow. Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, where hearts align. Let's embrace the craft and let our souls shine.
Hello everyone, I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop Studio, and this is Longarm Wednesday. We have a very pretty and colorful quilt on the long arm today. It is called Kismet from Bonnie Hunter. It is a Bonnie Hunter pattern, and my friend Mary from Ontario did it. So we're just going to finish up the last row so you can see how beautiful it is. And it has a lot of pieces in this one, so I am kind of like babysitting it just a little bit to make sure nothing kind of gets too pulled this way or that way, okay? So we want to go, have you rolled your quilt to the last position needle? Okay, so I'm going to go over here, and my last position of my needle is like right down there for the row. I'm going to go, yep. And then it's going to say click around the outside edge, so it knows exactly where to sew into and make sure that I am within the boundary. The pattern is within the boundary, okay? So I'm just going to click on down here, about a 1/4 inch away. Some people like it all off the edge. I'm trying to keep it just as close to the edge as possible. Okay, just clicking my way, moving and clicking, moving and clicking. Here and up. And then I'm going to click on some of the previous stitches from the previous row, or on the stitches from the previous row, sorry. Just to kind of make sure I am, not all of them, just like a bit of a scoop of making sure that my laser is on the line so that I have proper positioning when I position up that last row. It doesn't have to go a lot, just to make sure that you're in the right spot. Okay, so I think we're good to go there. So we'll just say okay and okay. I think what is going on? The keyboard doesn't want to work. Now let's do that again. Okay, so I'm going to go and make sure we are in proper distance away. Here and to here. Okay, just need to tweak the pattern just a little bit. Okay, 1 second. Seems like we're okay, so let's go stick it over here and start. It doesn't take too long to stitch out. Like I said, I have sped it up tonight, so I'm going to be watching it, just kind of make sure things nice and flat. Just kind of adding a little bit of pressure on the back side, because we don't want anything to get puckered. So now this is a on the pond edge to edge. It is a lovely stitch out. It is in buttercup yellow thread. And we have medium density. There's a lot of seams, so sometimes it does a little hiccup or a little So that's why we're just trying to make sure it all goes together nicely. This is 5 rows of the stitch out. This part just goes just a little bit past, but I wanted the other stuff to come a little bit all the way on the edge, so that's fine. I love all the Hatchford triangles. Such a fantastic idea to do with Hatchford triangles. They kind of look like little fishes to me, but I'm not sure if that was the purpose. So. Just adding a little bit of pressure on the back side, just to make sure things are going without getting hooked. Machines have their own personality. I don't care what anybody says. And I'm not talking like Stephen King movie Christine, okay? Like, I'm just saying, like, They all have their personalities. It is a gorgeous day here in Nova Scotia. I can see from my window here, I can see the neighbor's cows off to the left in the neighbor's pasture. I love seeing these. It's such a pretty little square. I love that. All the beautiful color. See, there was just a little bit of a hiccup on that stitch on the seam. The cutest flamingo fabric I think I've ever seen. There's a bit of it. There's pink and this red one here. And I think there was another one. So it's going to come down and do this around the bottom here. That was one stitch out done. Gonna do the second. And then do good. But such beautiful color. I love it. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I've seen a few. I've seen a few come across the Longarm. This one's so nice and bright and cheery. I love it. Just love it. And this little accent with the red, with the little gold, the pink, the red and pink with the gold. It's so pretty. Ooh, there's that tiny little pink pop of orange there. Very cute owl fabric. A little bird, that's a robin there. Hope you're all having a good day. We had a fantastic time on the Saturday live stream, one we just had, June 1st. We did 6 hours. We put Memory Bear together out of my mom's clothes. So that was nice. And I don't think I cried once, so yay!
When you're tired and worn, and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way, oh, the first time your heart breaks, I'll pick up the pieces and put them back together.
be concerned, but it is oil juice, so I'm not.
When the time finally comes, I hope you're proud of everything we've done. You can help me put one foot in front of the other. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Mountain tops and seas below.
We're almost done. You'll get to see it all beautifully stitched. It's got this gorgeous flannel backing. I love that Mary has flannel backings to her quilts. It's just so comfy, and it gives, to me, it's like a luxurious sort of feel. But that's, you know, not everybody feels that way, but I love the flannel backing. It's like warm and cozy and almost. Couple of little swirl on the pond. Awesome. Just a couple more little locking stitches. And clip. And then I will unclamp the sides. Here's, you can see my little half square triangle project is one of them as we're done. So let's unclamp the other side. And then we will loosen it a smidge and unzip it. Here is the top. Oh my, it looks so amazing. So amazing. Let's block it so that I can put the wood paste. There we go, but it ain't dabbling everywhere. Oh my, Mary. Oh, this looks amazing. Oh, how gorgeous. How gorgeous. How many pieces? Is another question. This is 81 by 81. And then you can see the backing here. It is a lovely daisy, I'd say blue-gray. A blue-gray daisy backing. Oh, it's beautiful. It feels lovely. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one, okay? Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon. So you can see some color.